لا يمنع الدين من الاستطاعة البدلية. Remember we said if you have a loan, first pay off your loan, pay off khums, pay off zakat, pay off all the dues, financial dues, then go for Hajj. And if you have loan, bank loans or house loan, what they want from you is $1,000 per month. The rest of your income, you can use it whatever you want. If those kind of loans, they don't prevent you from going for, after you pay off the installment, you have enough amount to go for Hajj, you have to go for Hajj. Now this is, let's say, no, somebody wants money. He's on your head, or the bank says pay off the money, or anyhow, homes, the people are on your head. But these kind of loans prevent you from going for Hajj if the Hajj is going to be from your own personal income. No, your own personal income, you give it to them. Don't go for Hajj. However, if it was gifted Hajj from somebody, especially conditional Hajjs, then you don't have to be worried about these loans because it's not your money. Somebody says, I'm giving you this money on a condition to go for Hajj. You cannot say, please pay off my loan with this Hajj. No, 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 no. Go for Hajj. However, نعم إذا كان الخروج إلى الحج منافيا لأداء الدين في وقته. If you go for Hajj, it is going to stop you, prevent you from paying the debt on its time. Let's say first Hajj was on 1st of December. 1st December, you are supposed to pay cash to that person, and you have to be there in Hajj before that time. So then if you go for Hajj, the guy will miss an installment. If he forgives you, that's fine. But he says, no, I want it at the end of the month. Please give it to me. You have the money. And that guy is traveling. He's going to come on that day, the day you want to travel for Hajj. So if your Hajj is going to be a cause of preventing an installment or preventing paying off your debt, or and that person is demanding, direly demanding, deadfully demanding, your Hajj is not going to be hanged. So you need to pay him. And if you go for Hajj, you will miss his payment, and then he will day and night do dua against you. Then Hajj will not be obligatory upon you. Or no, another scenario. Remember that guy who only earns in those days of Hajj. So if he goes for Hajj badali, then he will not earn. If he'll not earn, he'll not be able to pay off the debt, which is on the head. So that's why in this case, إِذَا كَانَ الْخُرُوجُ إِلَى الْحَجِّ مُنَافِيًا, if going for Hajj is going to be preventing or is going to be against paying off the debt in time, whether the debt was due or it was delayed debt, Hajj would not be obligatory upon him.